Los Angeles just took one step closer to that Orwellian future we all knew was coming, where our every move is monitored. Because the Metropolitan Transportation Authority just announced that they are going to install body scanners in the city's subway system. Yeah, that's right, you'll be body scanned in LA just to ride the train. The LA MTA said that they've acquired a bunch of screening devices already and are considering buying more. The purpose of them is to scan subway riders for weapons such as, quote, improvised explosive devices or other weapons that are intended to cause mass casualties. Stuff like explosive vests and assault rifles, not necessarily small weapons that can't be used to hurt a lot of people at once. They say the scanners will be rolled out in the coming months. And the big question is, how the hell are they going to scan every single person when an estimated 150,000 people ride LA subways every single day? We all know how awful it is to go through TSA body scanners at the airport. But even though the LA MTA is partnering with the TSA to make it happen, according to CNN, they won't be set up in the same way. Instead of queuing up like you do at the airport, you won't even know you're being scanned. The scanners will be placed at the bottom of escalators and will just scan you as you walk by. What they do is scan the body waves you naturally produce, and then they look for objects that are blocking those waves. The system picks up both metal and non-metal objects and generates like a black spot or color overlay that shows where it is placed on a person's body. Now, the MTA is very happy to be the first train station to try this out here in America, and they promise it won't interfere with your commute or beam you with a bunch of radiation. They tested it out earlier this year, and apparently it went well, and so they're very excited to go forward with it, which I find all very depressing. Not necessarily because of the whole invasion of privacy thing, but just because these are the technological advancements we have in our society now. Not cures for cancer, or longevity pills, or clean energy sources, or vacations on the moon even, but body scanners in our train systems. We're scanning each other's bodies because we no longer trust each other, while our real potential falls by the wayside. Which explains the rise of our other technological advances, stupid apps on our stupid phones. They're the perfect distraction from our new Orwellian reality.